Students, I am Vetri CHELVI from Vetri and Vetri NEET Chemistry. Today onwards I am going to give the videos from the previous year NEET questions. Okay, let us go with the chapter wise. So today we are going to see the basic concepts chemistry. Here this is NEET 2010. Let us see the question. 25.3 gram of sodium carbonate is dissolved in enough water to make 250 ml of the solution. If sodium carbonate dissociates completely, molar concentration of sodium and carbonate are calculated. Okay, now let us see what is our plan is. First, what is the plan? You have to, as soon as you are reading the question, think about the plan. What is given is 25.3 gram of sodium carbonate is given. So some weight is given. Now let me write the weight of sodium carbonate. It is given as the 25.3 gram. From this, it is volume of the solution is given as 250 ml. So what is our work is, first you have to calculate the molarity of the solution. What's molarity calculated mean? Then it is, you have to follow the word what is called as a sodium carbonate dissociated. That is it is the ionic compound. So on complete ionization. So complete ionization, what is the knowledge is sodium carbonate on completely dissociated give sodium plus ion plus carbonate ion. So whenever you are writing, then sodium number is 2 in number. This number should be written here, number of sodium ion. Same number should be written here. It is charge on the carbonate. So I should put 2. So 2 positive charge, 2 negative charge getting cancelled. So now this equation is your correct. That is your ionization. That means what? That solution, 1 molar solution, it indicates 1 molar solution of sodium carbonate containing 2 molar solution of sodium ion and 1 molar solution of carbonate. So this is the information. Now let us go on calculate the molarity. Whatever molarity you are calculating is the molarity of carbonate which is available here. Then it is into 2 is the molarity of sodium which is available here. Now let us go on calculate the first molarity. The formula for molarity, let me write here. Formula for molarity is number of moles of sodium carbonate. That is your number of moles divided by volume in liter. What is number of mole? Given weight by molar mass. Given weight by molar mass, then volume in liter. Now let us go on, right? Here what is the given weight is given? 25.3 is the given weight divided by molar mass of sodium carbonate is 1 or 6. Okay, how you are getting sodium carbonate? Molar mass is, you write 2 sodium, 23, 1 carbon and 3 oxygen, 48. On addition, it gives 1 or 6. Yes, you are getting. Here, of course, in the question itself, it is given 1 or 6. Okay, children, if it is not given, you can calculate like this, of course. Now, let us go to the work. So, what is it? The mole is given written and this is divided by volume. Here, volume is given in terms of the ml. So, now let us write that. That is, it is divided by ml is 250 ml which is divided by 1000. That is, the ml should be converted into the liter. So, ml to liter means you have to divide by 1000. Listen children, here volume is should be written in the ml. That is 250 ml. So, that thing should be converted into the liter means it is divided by 1000. So, or you can bring it here of course. So, the same thing is written here. Or let me write here. Here 25.3 divided by 1 or 6 into 250. So this is divided by 1000. That is I am writing here. So now it is getting cancelled and 4. Now let us go to the next step. Now we are coming to the approximation, that is enough. 25 into 4 is the 100 divided by 1 or 6. That is 100 by 1 or 6. We can take it as a here 0.9 because 100 divided by 106 is higher value. So it is always less than 1. So I am taking approximately it is equal to 0.9. Now this is the molarity. What is the knowledge is the molarity of the solution is the molarity of carbonate. That is, you keep it in the mind. So because one molarity having one molarity of carbonate. So the molarity of 0.9 is the molarity of carbonate. You can see the second part where you are having 0.9 is, this is the option. Here it is 1.9. So this is the option. So this is the carbonate. So once you are selecting this mean, automatically the option should be there. This, verify it. What about your concentration of sodium, which is twice that of carbonate. So 0.9 into 2, that is called as a 0.9 into 2, you will get it the 1.8 approximation. So this is the answer. So what is the plan is, find out the molarity of the solution, and the molarity is equal to molarity of carbonate, and it twice is the molarity of sodium. This is 2010 NEET question. We are moving to the next question. One more trick, children, very important trick. After this dissociation, what is indicate? Your sodium is 2 times of your carbonate. You can come and verify here without doing this calculation. This answer should be the twice of this. So this is the only option you are having. 0.9 into 2, 1.9. Whereas all other options, this is not twice that out, and this is not twice that out, this is also not twice that out. So without doing this, you can find out. This is important trick. Now let us go to the next question. Here the question is 6.02 into 10 power 20 molecules of area are present in 100 ml of its solution. Number of molecules is given, 100 ml. Volume of solution is given. The concentration of the solution is. Now here what is the idea is, plan. You have to find out the molarity. What is molarity is number of moles of the solid divided by volume of solution in liter. Here what is the, if it is ml mean number of moles of the solid divided by volume. Since it is given ml, so convert it, you are what is called divide by 1000, you are bringing here. So now what is the number of mole is equal to, here number of mole is based on the particle. So based on the particle, number of mole is given particle divided by Avogadro number. What is given particle? 6.02 into 10 power 20 divided by 6.02 into 10 power 23. So this is the given particle. Getting cancelled 20 and 20. So what you are having is here denominator you are having 10 power 3. So your answer is 10 power minus 3 is the n. So this value you can substitute. Now let us go and see. Molarity is equal to n. What is n is 10 to the power of minus 3 and 1000 10 power plus 3 divided by what is here? It is volume in the ml. In the question it is given as 100. So this is getting cancelled. This is 10 to the power of, this is 1 by 10 power 2 is coming 10 power minus 2. What is 10 power minus 2 is 0.01 is the answer. 0.01. So this is your option. Very simple. Here this is the new knowledge. The number of moles in terms of particle is the new knowledge. This is somewhat different. 2013 NEET question. Let us go to the next. 2 molarity aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide is 1.28 gram per cc. The molarity of the solution is dash. So this one formula is having, you are provided with m density. They are asked to find out small m mean there is one new formula is available. It is the beyond the NCERT syllabus. Let us give the new formula. Small m, that is molarity is equal to 1000 into molarity divided by 1000 into density minus molarity into molar mass. This is the consolidated formula for this sum. We can now substitute only the values. 1000 into molarity of the solution is 2 divided by, they are asking molarity, small m. Okay, here 1000 into density. So 1000 into density is 1.28 minus of your molarity into molar mass. Molarity is 2 and then molar mass is sodium hydroxide. It is given here. It is the 40. Now let us do. Here 1000 it is the 2000 divided by here 1.28 into 1000, that is you are getting the 1280. minus of 80. So now you are getting 2000. 1280 minus 80, you are getting 1200. This is getting cancelled and divide by 4, 5 and 3. So 5 by 3. So 5 by 3 means you are getting 1.6 and 6. Now you can see your option is, you can see here, your D option where your answer is 1.67 small m. So this formula is very, very important. You note down this formula, of course. Very, very important. Yes. Let us see the next question, children. Concentrated aqueous sulfuric acid is 98% of sulfuric acid by mass and has the density is equal to 1.8. Its unit is gram per mole. Okay. Volume of acid required to make 1 liter of, you want to prepare 1 liter of 0.1 m. That is capital M sulfuric acid. So volume of sulfuric acid required is the question. Here you are having two formula. Let us go to the first formula. You should calculate, first one is the molarity. Then you have to go for the volume of mixing. First one formula. What is here in the first formula, you are having weight and the density means now the formula is, that is molarity is equal to 10 dx by what is it called, molar mass. Very important. Weight is given, density is given. You have to calculate molarity with this formula, new formula. 10 into density 1.8 into what is X is the, X is the amount of substance. X is the amount of solute or amount of substance. Here it is 98.98% of sulfuric acid is the X, divided by molar mass of sulfuric acid is 98. So now getting cancelled, 1.8 into 10, that is your molarity is 18 is the molarity of your sulfuric acid. From this we have to go for law of dilution. So we are going for law of dilution. What is the formula is V1 M1 is equal to V2 M2. So what is the volume required is 1 liter required. What is the molarity? M is 0.1 m. 0.1 m is required. I am substituting. Is equal to volume of this sulfuric acid. How much? This is the question. Volume of thing required is the question. Into its molarity we have calculated is, this is the question 18. So now this is the, keep it as a question, bring the 18 on next side. So volume in liter is equal to 1 into 0.1 divided by 18. Now this one you can write as a, this one I am writing 10 power minus 1 divided by 18. It is in the liter. Whereas options you can see, children, all the options are in the ml. So the liter should be converted to ml, mean what I have to do it, that is liter to ml. So there I am multiplying by 1000, that is 10 power 3 divided by 18. So this is getting cancelled. What you are getting is 10 power 2, or I can write as a 100 by 18. 100 by 18 means you can take it approximately 100 by 20. That is 5 something is a 5 point is the answer, approximation. So you are getting, this is the option is 5 point. So you can select. So in this question you are having two formula. New formula is 10 dx by molar mass, and this is the law of dilution. So let us see, children, this video you are having 1, 2, 3. Of course, this is the 4 and this is the 5. All the 5 sums are very important. With the new formula, practice well and keep it as an important 5. Thank you, children.